How's it going, everybody? It's Eli with Shine Division Detailing. Just got this Raptor pulled out. It's all ready to go. Did our single step polish, single stage correction, and coated with our 3-year ceramic coating. This vehicle came in with some light swirling in the finish. We were able to pull all the haze out and about 95 to 99% of the swirling in the paint. Got a super high gloss finish and then locked it in with a durable ceramic coating to keep the paint protected. Threw a ceramic coating on all the plastics as well. All the paint was coated, plastics throughout, wheels got coated, detailed the chassis area, got in all the nooks and crannies in the grille. This project took me about 2 days to complete, but the results are unbelievable. If you'd like to get this done to your vehicle, reach out. Happy to answer any questions for you and get you on the schedule. If you'd like to do an in-person consultation, happy to do that as well. This Raptor came out killer. Let's check out the other side where there's more sun. I always like to check my work in the sun. It really pulls the true results out of the paint. Super red. If you have any questions, let me know.